AnyLogs is a face recognition-based attendance and timesheet logging system that is fast, easy and simple for users. In this video, we'll explain how to use AnyLogs app in kiosk mode. Once all members are onboarded, system admin can click on Download App, and scan QR code to download either Android or iOS version of AnyLogs kiosk app. AnyLogs kiosk app is designed for organizations that want all their members to check in from a common shared device. AnyLogs kiosk is a direct replacement of biometric attendance devices that are commonly used at workplaces. We recommend using any Android or iOS device with at least 2 GB RAM and 5 megapixel front camera as a kiosk. Kiosks should be set up at a place that has adequate lighting. Please make sure that the kiosk camera is not directly facing a light source. Also, kiosks should be placed at a location that minimizes capture of multiple faces in the same frame. Once downloaded, log in using your administrator credentials. These are the same credentials that were used to activate your account on AnyLogs.com. On login, you will see a home screen with check-in and check-out buttons. A member who is entering a facility should click on the check-in button, and a member who is exiting the facility should click on the check-out button. Once clicked, AnyLogs activates native camera to capture face, and run a face match algorithm to identify a particular member. On successful capture, AnyLogs records a live photo with date, time and location, and sends that data to AnyLogs.com. Admin can also install multiple kiosks at different entry and exit locations. AnyLogs automatically syncs up all data across multiple locations, and generates aggregated dashboards. Admin can log into AnyLogs.com to view real-time dashboards and reports. To understand the scope of dashboards, please check out our dashboards and reports video. Link is attached in the description. In case you have any queries, please reach out to us at support@anylogs.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.